Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Nddc, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, says the intervention agency is now embarking on more sustainable empowerment programs to benefit youths in the Niger Delta region. Dr. Ogbuku made the disclosure during a courtesy call on Bayelsa State Governor Senator Doyedire recently at Government House, Yenagoa.
During a courtesy call on Bayelsa State Governor Senator Doyedire recently at Government House Yenagoa, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, Nddc, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, gave progress reports on activities of the newly appointed board. Dr. Ogbuku noted that as part of efforts to address rising youth unemployment rates, the Nddc had introduced more sustainable economic empowerment programs to raise a new generation of entrepreneurs in the Niger Delta region.
Nddc is now synonymous to water hyacinth. We believe that we have to change that mentality because we are not doing good to our youths by just giving them free money. Our youth should be seen to have that dignity of labor. They should have that self-confidence. We want a situation where we should be able to graduate our youths from doing one thing to also becoming big contractors. So hence, what is the substitute to that? We are looking at a program called Public and Communal Infrastructural Development. Your Excellency, we believe we must partner with you.
Dr. Ogbuku observed that previous empowerment programs implemented by the Commission failed to impact positively on youths due to their politicization. He informed his host that a Niger Delta Chamber of Commerce was in the offing to drive the process of molding new emerging entrepreneurs in the Niger Delta region.
You say you're doing training, empowerment program. By the time you give them starter pack, some of them have already sold the starter pack at the venue of the training. Some of them, they go home, you give them welding machines. Some of them, they don't even use them. Because sometimes the process of picking these people is political. So in order to take out politics from this process, we are now coming up with the Niger Delta Chamber of Commerce so that the Niger Delta Chamber of Commerce will be responsible with the data they have of young entrepreneurs to select their own entrepreneurs for empowerment. So that we are not the ones populating the list. They are the ones bringing the people. That is to say, for them to bring somebody to us to empower, that means they must have confirmed the source of business of that person. They must have verified that person's business to know that that person can really use it to grow.
Senator Diri, who described ongoing reforms in the Nddc as consistent with its Establishment Act, indicated his government's willingness to support the new governing board to succeed.
We are happy that today we have a substantive board of the Nddc. I am one person who believes that there is nobody who is an island. We need to partner, we need to collaborate, and we need to work hand in glove for the overall development of our region and of the states where we hold sway. Without even you asking for support, I lend my hands of support to you and to the board of the Nddc.
As part of a one-day walking visit to Bayelsa State, Dr. Ogbuku commissioned the Igbogene Community Road Construction Project. Other projects commissioned were internal road projects at New GRA Extension and 16 Brigade in Yenagoa. According to the Nddc boss, the commissioning of the project was facilitated by a deliberate policy to complete and deliver projects that had been stalled on account of indebtedness to contractors.
Inside the Niger Delta,